Had her take another shot. We practiced a little bit more and she's right where she needs to be.
These are where I actually were.
Mm-hmm. All of them are killing that turkey. Nice job. Started turkey hunting first day of the season. And I got 2 coming with me. Hopefully we can get 2 this morning. Stay tuned.
Who's shooting first? What if there's 2 in the field? What gun are you using?
Like 10.
I can hear them gobbling down below the driveway, but we're gonna start back here.
I heard a turkey when you were at work.
Oh, that's good. I just heard one over here. We can pull that one in, buddy. Guys, we're gonna get one this morning. Who's up first? I said I got them all. We just moved spots and we got a couple toms responding to us, so hopefully we can get one to come up here. Stay tuned. Guys, did you find some Easter eggs? Okay, keep going. Keep going. Go, 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 go. Keep walking. thunderstorm coming in pretty fast. So, and this bird probably isn't going to cooperate and get to us right away. And I don't really want to be hauling this kid back through a thunderstorm. Okay, we are running and gunning with the dirt bike today, electric dirt bike. And we got to figure out how to fit all this stuff on there. We did it yesterday, but we lightened up the load a little bit, got rid of some chairs. Because we got turkeys to kill, and I'm sick of just not being mobile with these kids. So we can still set up a blind quick, and we can run them down and get where we need to quick. The problem is we got like an inch of rain yesterday, so she's pretty soft out there. We'll see how it goes. There might be mud bogging. Okay, we got her all loaded up. Put a strap on there, ain't going nowhere. Got our bag. I guess it shouldn't go anywhere, we'll find out. And that gun will go on my shoulders, and we're ready to go. You ready, Len? We're going down where we're hunting. Ooh. It's gonna be a slick ride down.
got it. Here, Bo. Here. Put it on there. Shoot. Find its head and shoot. Wait till it gets right there. Shoot. Wait till he stops moving. No, the boy didn't get it, but hold on, guys. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Stop. Where's my phone? Hold on. No. Lenny, say it again.
I got it.
Okay, go get it. Go get it, Braxton. Oh, that's a heavy bird, guys.
It has one beard. Daddy. Look at it. It has one beard. It only has one beard.
Here, put your hats on, guys. I want your picture.
Okay. Braxton, put your hat on. Big turkey. Daddy, I got my tummy hurt.
Oh, you shot it on your chest? Lenny, your first turkey. Look at that. That's a nice one, hon. Okay, Braxton, get back here. Huh?
I know, it's supposed to come out. Dad, where is its feet? That's corn. Dad, can you wipe my hands?
Right on my legs.
Where's its feet, Dad? Where's my hat? Is that my hat? Okay.
Braxton, what do you think? We had, was that 3 or 4 turkeys in front of us?
3.
3?
No, 4.
Was it 4?
No, there's 2. I shot one time, but I missed 2.
Yeah.
There's 2 palms and 1. Hey, you! I didn't even see. Oh, hi, little.
You didn't see the beard? Well, you got it on. Honey, I'm so proud of you. We didn't even have a stand for that. You were just going off of the tent, free arming. That was awesome. We almost got another one. That would have been cool too, but Bo, we'll get you one, right?
But I shot one last year.
Yeah.
Did Leni ever shoot a turkey? No. But
Somehow we got to get all this stuff up and a turkey up that mountain through that thick stuff. And the tent, yeah. All right, you guys ready?
And
Let's do it.
big turkey.
Yeah.
And the big turkey at the bottom. I have my shirt stuck. Wow. Got it?
Ah, it's heavier than you. Keep going, Bo.
Yeah.
Probably.
And then I would get hurt. Yeah, that would hurt. Backward somersault. That would hurt. I can go wherever to walk. There's
Tired.
a chase stand.
I know.
My foot's in the road.
You shot it too.
Did Lenny first turkey get a fat one? Was the first turkey that one? The one that turkey.
Oh.